going to be doing what are we doing? Come on.
Tag?
A husband and wife tag for you guys. So, we're
What is it again?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
That's right, baby. Sang it. Anyways, so we're going to do a husband and wife tag. And Babe has some questions on his phone. He's not holding his phone, but he can read his phone. Hold the wheel, baby. Anyways, we're gonna do this tag for you guys, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So, what's the first question?
When did we meet?
When did we meet?
When did we, me and you, meet?
I don't know if that means like what year we met. So, I know it was 2003.
Dang.
I want to say it was like April 2003. March or April of 2003.
Dang, that's a long time. You're an old couple, huh?
That's when we met.
Dang.
That's when we met.
2003. I
Next,
didn't even know the year.
you never knew the year?
Never knew the year.
You didn't?
I just know that I met you. When I met you, I forgot everything. Everything out of my life. I forgot.
Wow. Okay.
What was your first opinion of me?
What was it? What was yours?
What was your first opinion of me?
You answer that one. You answer one, I answer one.
My first opinion was like, oh, this little chocolate melanin thing. She's pretty. She has beautiful skin. Beautiful smile.
That was it.
And them, if I can say this stuff, them twins was looking nice.
Wow.
She used to wear these little spaghetti shirts. She always just show her little stuff, you know. It was like, hey y'all.
Wow. That's what he has to say. All right, next question. Hey, give me the questions. You're not a good question reader.
When did you know I was the one? When did you know?
When he wouldn't leave.
Wow, that's what you gotta say about me?
When he wouldn't
You got
leave.
your nerve to be talking about me.
He wouldn't leave.
I wouldn't leave.
He wouldn't leave.
Wow.
Couldn't get rid of him.
Let me tell you guys this. So when I knew she was the one, we was on our way we was going on a date, and I forgot to put lotion on my hands that day. And I asked her, does she have any lotion? She said yes. So she took some lotion out of her purse, and when she took it out of her purse, she put it in her hands, and I'm like, I'm the one who asked for the lotion. But she took my hands and she rubbed the lotion in my hands, and I was just like, oh.
Y'all heard that? So get some lotion. All you single ladies, put some lotion on your man's hand. That's all it took.
That's all it took.
Obviously.
Falling in love.
Falling in love. That's what Amari used to say. Okay, next question.
How long did it take you to plan the wedding?
Not long.
Oh,
He asked and I planned. It took
immediately.
Babe, did it take a year? 1 year?
No.
It was 1 year.
No, it was not no 1 year.
It took us only 1 year to plan the wedding.
Oh.
We got married under a year.
Yeah. We got married under a year. I asked you.
And the planning
In
began.
May, we was getting married.
Okay, so he asked me in November the 3rd, he asked me to marry him.
And in May,
And
we got
in
married.
May,
So it wasn't no
November,
year.
okay, maybe it wasn't a year, but November, okay, December, January, February, March, April, May.
6 months.
No. We got
December,
married in 6 months,
6 months. 6 months.
I don't remember
Let me
that.
tell you something. When women like to get it over with because the man might say, you know what, I changed my mind.
I knew you wasn't going to change your mind, baby. You was planning too. He was just as excited to plan as I was. Like, he was very, very hands-on. He was into it. He was very motivated. I did not have to pull his hand or bug him about planning nothing. Okay? Nothing.
I was like, that's
We made our own invitations and he helped. So, I mean, it was Man, I didn't realize 6 months.
6 months. You wasn't
I thought it was a year.
No, you wasn't playing.
Get it over with, y'all, because they might change their mind. Next
You wasn't
question.
playing. When did we get married?
May 17th, 2008. We got married twice. We got married again the following year. May 18th, 2009. We got married twice. At first, I wanted to do the get married every year thing, renew the vows, keep it fresh type of thing. But then that's just too much. I was gonna try, but it was just too much. Couldn't do it.
So how long have we been married?
You can answer that.
We've been married 11 years. We just made 11 years.
11 years.
We just made 11 years, May 17th of this year.
11 years.
11 years. Going strong.
Next question.
How did you propose?
I'll let you answer that.
Well, she proposed to me.
He's a liar.
She proposed.
He's a whole liar. Don't
She
listen
proposed
to
to
him.
me.
Hey, stop lying.
She got her down on one knee, and I was like, you know what? She said, "Would you marry me? Are you happy now?"
Damn.
I said, "Yeah."
No,
All right.
that's not true.
So anyway, I had plans to propose to her at my favorite restaurant, which is Chili's. But that night, I feel like everybody was looking at me.
But nobody paying attention to
I
him.
feel like everybody, all eyes was on me, and I got nervous. So what I did was, on the way home, I acted like I hit something in the middle of the street. And I said, I got outside of the car, and I said, "Babe, come here, look what I hit." And when she came, and it was cold, she gave me some resistance at first.
I was like, what? I mean, okay, the car's still running. It's fine. We good. Let's go home.
And what happened was, when
freezing.
she came around the back, I was down on one knee, and I asked her to marry me.
Aww. You were scared. You were scared.
I was
You were scared to do it at the
I was
restaurant.
nervous. I was shaking.
But you did it in the middle of the street, like right by our house.
So I asked her, "Would you marry me?"
I said, yeah. I said, all right, I will. Might as well.
How many children did you want by me?
One. No, actually, lately, I wish I could have had more. I would have had at least one more. But I got my tubes tied after we had Amari. And I kind of regret it. But I don't know. I never thought about how many kids I wanted with him. Because I already had 3 kids when we met. He had 2. And I just felt like I had enough kids. And then Amari came. I was like done. I was like, oh no, I'm done. I thought I was done at that time, which I'm glad I did get my tubes tied, because I probably would have had about 3 more.
How many children did I want before marriage? Did you want before marriage?
I thought 3 kids was a good number for myself.
I thought a big family was good. I've always wanted a big family. A bunch of kids. We got it.
We got a lot of kids. We have 6 total, so
Yeah, we got it. So we got a big family. We need a big house for everybody. Hopefully none of them got to come back and live with us once they become grown.
right.
But if they do, you know, it all depends on what the circumstances is all about.
Man, we talking about the question about the kids. How many kids? He going all off track. He want to have. That's another video.
What does my family think of you?
You answer the question.
What does my family think of you?
I think they love me. They tell me they love me. Nah, for real, they love me. And I love them.
And I love them. And they love you, huh, baby?
So silly. I have a loving, I have loving in-laws. They're there, they love us, and it's always been that way.
What is your worst habit?
Babe, are you gonna answer some of these questions?
I've been answering the questions.
You ain't been
I have.
My worst habit?
Yeah, what's your worst habit? Don't be scared to tell people your worst habit.
What is it? Because I don't think I have no worst habit.
Wow, that's one of them right there.
I don't know what is my worst habit.
thinking that you don't have no worse habits.
Okay, so tell me my worst habit, and I'll tell them yours.
I really don't know.
Exactly.
What's my worst habit?
I would say your worst habit is when you get in the bed, you gotta mess the whole bed up. Like blankets be everywhere. He don't sleep and get out the bed in his knee. He sleep in the bed, and when he get out, it looked like a tornado came through and just tore the whole bed up.
Where's that in the rule book?
I mean, but that's a habit that I think is bad.
I thought you liked the bed being messed.
No, I don't. 'Cause you don't make it, I do.
Oh wow, I've heard that.
It's the truth.
Me.
How many of you guys husbands make up the bed? Comment down below. I want to know.
Who wears the pants in a relationship? I'll answer that. I do.
You the man?
I'm the man. That's right.
You
I wear the pants. I wear the jeans.
As you should. I don't
Yes.
want to wear no man's
Levi's.
pants. I want the man to be the man.
Right.
I'm the lady.
Right.
So he
Yes.
wears the pants in the relationship.
Levi's.
Respectively wear the pants in the relationship.
Sean John.
I wash the pants.
Yeah, she shrinks the pants.
I don't even wash his pants. They go to the cleaners.
If you can get rid of one thing that belongs to me, what would it be?
Those white shoes.
Which white shoes?
Them white ugly
Dress shoes?
dress shoes. I think I
Man.
did get rid of them, huh? I think I threw them away. He had
You
these
threw away my white shoes?
ugly white shoes. He loved wearing them too. Little. He think that when he wear them shoes, he is it, but it's not.
Damn, you cold.
Got rid of
You threw away
them.
my
I think
stuff?
I did. Yeah, I did bad.
Dang.
Gone.
Who's a better cook? Me.
Come on now. They know that already. That you're not.
Me.
I am the better cook.
But I inspire her to cook.
No, you don't.
I don't inspire you because you want to cook for me, right?
I do, but you don't eat it all
You
the
want me
time.
to eat your meals and all that stuff?
I wish you were a
Who
cook.
cook a better steak?
You do.
All right, then.
But that's all.
that matters.
That's it. That's all you know to make.
That's all. That's
On
all
to
I
the
gotta
next
do.
question.
Ribeye.
The better cook.
What do we argue most about?
Kids.
Kids, children,
Kids.
kids.
To be honest with you, that's our only argument, really. Like, we don't do a lot of arguing. We get along. You know, it's not many arguments, but when they do happen, it's over some kids. Children. That is all.
Kids. Have you ever pretended to sleep to avoid an argument?
Pretend to sleep? No,
I might,
not me. I
because
get
I
it
don't like
over
to
with.
argue and all that. This woman right here, she want to keep going and going.
I wanna resolve it.
But you want to resolve it by saying the same thing over and over again.
No, because you don't
And
get it.
I be like, I understand what you're saying. I get it. She be like, no, you don't. This is what I'm saying. I know what you're saying because you keep saying it.
Oh, okay, that's how you feel. Okay. Bust
Yeah.
down, Tatiana. I see.
What was our last argument about?
Kids.
Kids.
Children.
Children.
A kid. It wasn't about all of them at that time. It was about one.
What was the last text message I sent you? I know the last text message you sent me was these questions.
Yeah. I don't remember what the last text message was.
Did you tell me you love me?
Huh?
You tell me you love me today?
I love you, babe.
Love you too.
Thank you. What's your next
I don't know.
question?
Next question.
I don't know what the... And
Who was more affectionate?
He is. He is. He's a very affectionate guy. Very, 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 very much so.
That I am. And that ends the questions. That's all of them.
Was that 20
We have
questions?
answered them all. Yes.
That was 20 questions?
That was 20 of them.
That
All
went
20.
by fast.
Yeah. Goes by fast when you're having fun.
That's right.
So right now we're in Houston, Texas. We're passing through. The weather is look like it's gonna be inclement weather. It's 88 degrees. It's humid, but it's cloudy.
I'm on the road with babe, you guys.
It's gonna bust out raining anytime soon, which is good because I can get these bugs off my windshield.
All right. We're going to end the vlog here, or this video here. It's not a vlog, but we're going to end this video right here. Thumbs up this video if you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And to share with you guys while we're